recording for the Philippine National Anthem.
Reno, silver. Silver as in gold or silver. Binanggit ko po yan special bago ko banggitin yung ating guest of honor, guest speaker. Dahil yung Rotary Club Manila Circle at yung dalawang club natin ng RC Manila and Manila ay magkakaroon ng partnership together with the RC of Baywang. Narinig natin, it's not the song or the singer. Of course, the best singer, parang charis ng ating Rotary Club, District 320. And the invitation to attend here was given by Dr. Pons Aberin from the UP Medical Association, and he's one of the highest official of the University of the Philippines Medical Association. At sila, hindi ko na unahan pa yung magsasalita doon, si Mystica, she's not only a singer, there is humanity in the songs that she rendered. Merong humanity sa puso niya. Sinabi niya kanina, kung natatandaan nyo na there are other things, merong others, binanggit siya. Sila po yung humanitarian group from Europe, from Norway, na magkakaroon tayo ng massive tree planting. And this will involve millions of seedlings. At siguro magmi-meeting after this affair with our district governor. Of course, the last, but not the least, the shining armor and protector and inspiration. A lawyer of excellence, a member of the most prestigious law office in the Philippines and in other parts of the world. He is also my boss. He is my president in the Quezon City Bar Association, where yours truly is a humble member. Kaya yung command niya na, sige, tulungan natin ang Rotary Club, lahat ng club, about the tree planting massive in order to reforest ang ating bundok. Ang Sierra Madre, ang Isabela, coastal roads, coastal places all over the Philippines devastated by Undol, Pepe, and other tsunamis and typhoons and so on. At ang kanyang magiging project before January 29 to plant trees dito sa mula sa Manila Bay after the embassy hanggang Cavite. Hindi ko nasasabihin ng siya nang bahala nun, hindi po ba? Ang tinutukoy ko, ang inspirasyon natin lahat, ang ating minamahal Global District Governor Frankel Herbacio S. Salvador III. Hindi na po ako magpapakahaba at sobra na nasabi ko, meron pa akong hindi nakita na kapatid din natin sa Rotary. Ang VIP sa VIP District Governor na Protocol Assistant, SDG, Chris. Nandiyan po siya, nakakita ko eh. Alam nyo, hindi ko nadala yung aking glasses. Sorry po, sorry. I will not tell about what is Rotary. natutuhan ninyo yung membership, administration, yung core avenues of service, international service, community service, at Rotary.
Well, you have just heard a lot of dignitaries being introduced. As you are being seated and relaxed, may I now call the visionary presidents to kindly call the joint induction ceremonies be called to order.
May I request our three presidents to please stay in the middle. Lucy, Egay, and Rolly, matatakpan mo pala lahat. Sorry, yung mga natakpan na. Okay. The price of a leader's success, therefore, demands more than anyone can ever imagine. So what is this prize? We all know it, for it is not new to all of us as Rotarians. But for tonight, let us refresh our memories to make our road to success a little easier. First, being knowledgeable. Know Rotary and all that it stands for by heart.
And repeat after me. I state your full name. Having been duly elected as, state your position of the Rotary Club, state your club, for Rotary year 2010-2011, do hereby solemnly swear that I will discharge faithfully, to the best of my ability, the duties and responsibilities of my position. That I will promote this year's theme, building communities, Virgin Continents. All this I willingly pledge, without any mental reservation, nor purpose of evasion.